good morning. So today is March 18, and it's my sister-in-law's birthday and my brother-in-law's birthday. From two sides of the family. That's very interesting. Nobody cares, but anyway, I realized today that that was the case. So it was very funny. Okay, so we have ES that finally started it stopped one time framing down. Finally we start turning around. Now we're one time framing up, and we close right at the area that I mentioned yesterday. We need to see if the sellers are still there. We were able to get inside that this little transition area, and I'm saying this is a transition area because we have this distribution from back in beginning of March, and then we broke below it. We started accepting prices below, then we attempted yesterday to get back up there, and we rejected at the end of the session. You can see that we broke above, and then we closed almost at that level, and now this is a much stronger rejection of that area. So now we're back. We're gonna attempt back to get back inside the lower distribution, and if we are succeeding to trade and accept inside the range and below these three lows, right, which I would say, below the 5700 on yes, then we are going to sweep through value likely and at least retest this area, the 5630 area. I would say, right, like, because you can see that this is all, we have a acceptance in this few days, and here's the weekly pivot. So at least retest this area and see if buyers are still there, and then we bounce from there, or we just repair this kind of weak low. This day didn't have much access to the downside, so whoever is getting long here, if we get below this weekly area, then we're probably gonna see much stronger sellers and another push to the downside. Now if we find buyers at the 5700, then I'm gonna be looking for a little bit of chop in this area, because like I said before, this is like a transition area, and until we don't get back above the 200 moving average and inside value for this session on the 7th, we're still gonna see, I think, sellers in control. So that's what I'm looking for on ES, and a similar scenario on NQ, which it has very similar structure. The target on the downside for NQ is right here at 19,680 and change. That's the 20-day point of control. So if you're short, I think that's the level that we can look for to be tagged. And just now market opened and sellers are still trying to push. So let's see what happens here, if we are able to take the low from yesterday on NQ and then head to this 680 area. Gold was ripping higher just this overnight, and remember I had the target at 3104 if this move keeps going higher, and support in the 2980 area. And crude, not much changed since yesterday. We're still in this distribution area and hitting that resistance as we speak. It's being rejected right at the 21 EMA. All right, I'm gonna keep it short because we have now the market just opened, so I wanna see what's happening now with the order flow. Good luck.